I'm just gonna try everything on in my closet. Welcome to my LA closet, my itty bitty LA closet. You guys have gotten to see my bedroom, you guys have seen me start the makeover process, but you guys have not gotten acquainted with my tiny closet. This is a huge difference from my closet room that I had in my Pennsylvania apartment. Back when I had the big closet room that you guys got to know, which we miss dearly, I didn't really know my style. I was definitely trend hopping. We had a pile up in my old closet. Since downsizing and selling my house, I also downsized my wardrobe. Since I have a smaller closet, I have to keep my eyes on this closet. The more I shop, the more I thrift, the less room I have in here. I need to do my first closet clean out in LA. Obviously, I have to document it. We are bringing back the closet clean outs because I finally have a closet. Another reason why I think this is really good for me to do specifically right now is because I've noticed my style changing. The consistent thing over the last 2 years has been a darker color palette with some random pops of colors and prints, but I have noticed the time period in which I dress in is changing a little bit. From 2016 to 2019, I had a whole run of the 70s. Now I feel like I'm entering almost like the 80s. Very inspired. As a creative, when I'm doing something new, I go all in and I get so excited. I want to level up my wardrobe. I want to keep buying new things, but in order to clean it out, I need to get rid of things. I have my handy dandy Red Bull, so I can do this. I also came prepared. I have a notebook, okay? I was writing down a plan because we need a plan of action. My closet is already pretty organized. First things first, we're gonna go through each category. We have outdoor wear, bottoms, tops, dresses, then shoes. I'm just gonna try everything on in my closet. I've never done a video where I try on everything in my closet. All right, over here we have my outerwear. We're gonna start with outerwear. This is really giving dressing room when you're shopping and you don't feel like changing in a dressing room. I'm gonna start with jackets because I don't feel like changing yet. Next to my outerwear, I have my robe, which I'm not getting rid of. This is my like snow leopard robe. She's cute, she's fuzzy. I wear her every morning. The next thing we have is my vintage thrifted checkerboard robe. I'm actually gonna try them on out here. We're keeping her. This is a memory, but I don't wear her. I might give this to my girlfriend. When I went to Hawaii, I wanted something, and this was one of the only color options they had, and I don't like navy. It doesn't go with any of my clothes. So we freed up our first hanger. This is my only workout zip up, and it goes over your fingertips, and it's cropped. Definitely keeping this. Got this from Target. This next one I just got. This is the most like slouchy, comfortable blazer. I think I'm just trying shit on to show you at this point. Yeah, we're not getting rid of this. Oh, we have another robe. She has fur. This is my dressier robe. So far, we're keeping a lot. This one makes me sad, okay? This is a fur jacket I thrifted, and I thought it was the best find. It still has the tag on it. I don't know if I like the crop of it. And fur jackets take up a lot of space in your closet. Plus, it's summer. I don't know why I did this. I think we're gonna get rid of this. My next jacket is Givenchy, however you say it. This I got at a thrift store in LA. This is a staple. I haven't worn this one in a hot second, but this is like one of my favorites I've ever thrifted. Look at the shape of this. And you have like the embroidering. This is my girlfriend's. This jacket, oh God. I got this at Coachella. I actually made it and designed it. I'm not gonna wear it again. When I say this is the most uncomfortable jacket I've worn in my life, guys, look how stiff. I know I made this, but it's, oh my God. This crew neck, I don't think I'm gonna keep this. I don't like the crop of this. I don't like the neckline. This is how I like things fitting. I'm gonna keep her. Oh my God, this gray knit I got on Depop in like the winter time. She was actually in a donate pile and I recently took her out. Let's see if I'm gonna keep it. Okay, this is cute. This even goes with my vibe I'm wearing right now. We have another gray throwover. I'm thinking for future Nikki, like in the fall, going back home to Pennsylvania, we're keeping her. Last for outerwear, we have my iconic Playboy jersey. I got this at Hot Topic. Hot Topic be slaying sometimes. I love Playboy, and it actually looks vintagey, and it's like not crappy material. She actually goes with my track pants. Here's my athleisure. I'm glad I'm trying this on because I actually want to keep these. I just think I'm going to get rid of the gray. I hate gray. This is also a top that I've never worn. Gymshark leggings, I'm definitely keeping. They ride up the butt and make my butt look good. I never wear this. I actually wear this. Ooh, I love these crisscross in the front. This is just like a really washed up, worn down Razorback tank. The black leggings, I wear them for everything. A black one piece. I don't wear her. This is adorable. I'm keeping just this little amount. Time to move on to bottoms. Bottoms have become my biggest issue. I have so many that it has migrated to up here. We're gonna start with this stack up here. I do not like these plastic hangers, but hashtag affordable. Okay, so these are actually pajama pants that I've been wearing as basic sweatpants. So we're keeping these pants. I just bought these and they're so fun. Definitely keeping this. These technically could be pajama pants. We're keeping this. These are my favorite gray sweatpants. Hear me out. Look up Disney Channel stars street style. Those bitches knew what they were doing. These sweatpants give that vibe. Okay, now we're talking. The early 2000s is definitely like still in the back of my brain because I bought gaucho capris. And you know what else I bought? Ballet flats. And I've been wearing this. Ignore the rug, but I think this is a look. Haven't tried these on yet. I just ordered these. I actually really like this. You know what white bottoms I don't need? This sad thrift find. I thought I was winning when I got this. They drag on the bottom. They look terrible on me. I'm gonna show you guys. They're just not flattering. They're not cute. Fun fact, I hate showing my legs. So I avoid shorts at all costs, even in the summertime. So that's why I have so many pants. Without even trying this on, the material is just horrible. I'm gonna get rid of these pants. It's time I get rid of these. You know when you just hold a piece of clothing and it holds memories? These don't have good memories. That's like the Marie Kondo theory. If you look at something and it triggers a bad memory, odds are you're not gonna grab it and wear it, so we're just gonna get rid of it. These trousers I just bought came with like a little high-waisted belt. I love the shape of these. We're definitely keeping these. My first skirt in the bunch. Definitely keeping this. You know what I'm really tired of, guys? Cargo pants. Heavy cargo pants. I'm growing out of this. I think it's actually time it's happening. These sweatpants, guys, are the most crappy material. I got them from Amazon and they're the best sweatpants I ever got. I love these. You can't tell me otherwise. They are so crappy, but they're giving like the old Victoria's Secret yoga pants with the band. It breaks up the black. I'm keeping them because they're perfect for summer. These are my all-time favorite trousers. Wearing these with loafers and like a button down open. But my eyes right away are looking at these two sets of cargo pants. I have 2 pairs of black cargo pants, but I do think it's good to own at least 1 pair. I'm just gonna get rid of 1. I hope you guys love the city ambiances. This is new for us. Look at all these black pants. More pants. I'm gonna get rid of these. I have yet to wear these. Oh, these are cute. Cute. I actually want to keep these. These are like super high-waisted straight leg jeans. These would be cute with pointed toe pumps. I'm gonna keep them. I don't own anything like this. I know it's hot out, but look at these sweatpants. I'm obsessed. These micro mini shorts. I don't care how trendy they are. This is one thing I feel stupid buying into. Keeping these. Now we're getting into shorts and skirts. I can already tell you that I want to get rid of these. I'm just gonna try them on just in case I have a change of heart. I got these on Poshmark because I saw them all over Pinterest. These are so cute, but I hate showing my legs. So this is a skirt that I got a while ago, and I actually thought I was gonna get rid of it. It looks really good on, and I'm gonna actually give it a chance this summer. These are just no. We're getting rid of these. Just no. Absolutely not. Bye-bye. This skirt I actually just thrifted. She's so cute. It's like a little slip, perfect for summer. Last amounts of bottoms. Everyone needs a pair of leather pants. These are mine. Okay, I need 1 pair of normal looking shorts. At least they're not jorts. Got another pair of jorts. I'm gonna burn them. I thrifted these and I'm so proud of them. They're plaid, they come with a belt. I haven't worn this anywhere yet. Let me put it on real quick. Keeping this. Keeping these are more winter time, they're heavier. I'm getting rid of these. I hate these. I just think they're so uncomfortable. Wow, we made so much progress. All right guys, we are going to go through my tops. I'm falling asleep. I'm so tired. Ugh. We're gonna do a speed round of tops. I am so tired. There are definitely some outerwear pieces thrown in here. My girlfriend helped me organize my closet last night, so we have some jackets. There's no way in hell I'm getting rid of this. This is my prized possession. This is my favorite jacket I own. Everywhere I wear it, I get a compliment. Never getting rid of this. This I don't like having hung up. I do like t-shirts, especially to hang around the house, but I want to put this with my pajamas, so I'm gonna take it off of a hanger and put it in a pile. Ed Hardy, we're keeping her, but this is gonna go with like my lounge pajamas. Now this black t-shirt I'm gonna keep hung up because this is like not a bedroom t-shirt, and this is something you'd wear with trousers. I'm gonna keep this hung up because believe it or not, if you feel this fabric, it's a nicer vintage tee. So this top I'm actually obsessed with, and this shirt comes with shoulder pads. Whenever I wear this, I get compliments saying, wow, you're so fit, what are you doing in the gym? Definitely keeping this. This is one of my Amazon basics that I got last summer. This is from Aritzia. This is just like a plain white t-shirt that's fitted. This has been hanging in my closet. This is like a IMG clubbing, I don't know. I wear this days in a row. This is my favorite crew neck sweatshirt. These are my gray tanks. These are staples. I have my whites. This I just bought from iykyk LA. This I want to get rid of. I thrifted this and she's slouchy and it's cute. I don't wear this and I know I'm not gonna. This I love. This is like a grandma's cardigan. Someone in the comments of my content said I'm like grandma grunge, and I was like, thank you. This even goes with my outfit. We have more gray tanks. This is more of like a workout top, and this is more of like an everyday top. Cropped white tank tops with open backs. They're from ASOS. I'm gonna keep these. This white tank top is just falling apart. It's not even white anymore. I'm gonna get rid of this. I'm not vibing with this anymore. An off-the-shoulder gray shirt. Love it to wear around the house. This goes with pullovers. I'm obsessed with this. I know it's summertime. Keep. This Skims corset. This is perfect to wear with black sweatpants. Most definitely keep. I'm obsessed with this. I actually just bought this. It's leather and the back is absolutely open. This I got for Coachella. I never wore it. So Western. And I'm not feeling the gray. This is like such a Pennsylvania Niki shirt. This is my favorite button down. My girlfriend loves when I wear this. I'm waiting to have a moment in this, but it hasn't come yet. This is so cute. My Zara blazer. This is my structured one. This I just thrifted. It's like a little baby doll lingerie top. This is like a little jumper. This, cute for travel. This is a top that goes with the skirt I showed you. Woo, and we're done. Wow, done with tops. I'm gonna bring you guys in here for the dress portion. This is my dress side, guys. I'm actually buying dresses. These are little slips. I wear these to bed or around the house. Maybe I'll pull a 13 going on 30 and wear one of these with like a jacket, but I'm keeping these. I haven't worn this yet. This is a black plain dress, open back. This is perfect for like running errands and wanting to not look bummy. I have this for another running errands look for the summer. I got this wrap dress recently. Jules loves this one on me. I think it's really flattering. I just wore this in my Amazon haul that I just posted. I have this black Brandy Melville dress from way back. This is from years ago. I have this black slip dress that I got in Pennsylvania before I came out here. We have been growing this. I have this sheer white pinup-y dress. This is very Sabrina Carpenter. Barbie doll. This is not a dress. This is a top. We got gingham, puffy sleeves. This, I recently thrifted. I love the gingham and the daisies. I'm gonna keep all my dresses. I just wanted to show you guys my little collection. I got this on ASOS. This is like one of my favorite dresses. I wore this to Dyke Day in LA. Okay, we are going to do my shoes. Also, please ignore all these packages. Stuff that a stylist has sent me for shoots. We have stuff from previous shoots I've done. Not get rid of any of this. Okay, here's my shoes. Also, we have some wallpaper for my bedroom, for the bedroom makeover video that I'm doing. So first pair of shoes are from Amazon. You guys saw these in my Amazon haul. I'm gonna keep these. They are getting scuffed up and dirty since Vegas, so I have to wash these, but they're holding up and they're really comfortable. These are slippers I got recently. My yellow Sambas, absolutely keep. These are my favorite sneaker purchase I ever made. These have me conflicted. These are my only athletic sneakers and they're very dirty. I do need to buy a new pair, but until I get a new pair, I need something to work out in, so we're gonna keep these. My girlfriend's Hoka's. Jules, you have creeped into this vlog every which way possible. My girlfriend, Steve Madden's. These I'm gonna get rid of. I got these from H&M. Little pointed toe, kitten heel. They don't fit. They flip-flop in the back and they're very hard to walk in. My black slides from Target, keeping these. Listen, I never thrift shoes, but I thrifted these and I think they were such a good find. They were so inexpensive. My flat mom flip-flop, love these. I just got these flats for a wedding with my girlfriend. I just ordered the dress. I got these slingback pointed toe kitten heel pumps. Love these. I can't find the other shoe. So we're gonna get rid of this. I really feel like I can't get rid of ankle boots because like what goes around comes around, and come fall, I could see ankle boots really being in. I'm gonna hold on to these. I love these little kitten heels. Everyone needs a pair of knee-high boots. These aren't the best quality, but they work. I'm gonna keep these. This is for a performance. I bought these at Steve Madden knowing that I want to perform in these. These I wore for my last show. These are patent leather, they're wedged heel. They're so hot. I'm keeping these. And those are all my shoes. In here because we don't got a lot of space and a lot of this is storage for me, but I know where everything is. I know everything I own. I know where to go, where to grab something, how to build an outfit. This is a success. We have freed up so many hangers. All of these hangers. That was a long one, guys.